In today's world, we are flooded with information from all around. There is significant information overload everywhere. Regularly, more interactive content is being produced and published to attract and engage users and to give them a personalized experience. More and more tools are coming up in the market to create interactive content experiences. Tools like ReadyMag, Hype, Webflow, Principle for Mac are a few names that aim to make stagnant content more engaging. But even today, there is no quick and easy module to create interactive content across the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop tools. So, the objective of the project is to explore the domain of interactive content experiences across various platforms and come up with a solution for adding interactivity to content created from Adobe desktop applications. Presenting Adobe Interact, a module for adding interactivity to content on Adobe Creative Cloud. What is Adobe Interact and how does it work? Adobe Interact has three modes: the Edit mode, the Animate mode, and the Interact mode. In the Edit mode, you can edit the artwork, select the Artboard selection tool, and select the Artboard where you can add basic animation as well as interaction to make your content more interactive. Once you select the particular artboard, all the other artboards will be hidden. The Animate mode. The Animate mode consists of three types of animation: the one-shot animation, the path animation, and the record screen animation. In one-shot animation, you can animate anything from one point to another. How can you create one-shot animation? Select the object which you want to move. Displace it from one point to another as you wish. Once you animate the object, it will be automatically stacked into build sequence, where you can change its start time, the delay, and also the sequence it belongs to. The animation properties enable you to play it in a loop, reverse the direction of the animation, and add easing to make the animation smoother. By clicking on the preview button, you can see the preview of all the animations which have been applied on the artboard. You can also add animation directly into the object by using OnContext UI to make your work fast and effective. After you have worked on creating your animations, you can start adding interactivity. The Interact mode. In the Interact mode, you can add the interactivity by selecting the object. The right-hand control panel consists of Add Trigger and Add Animation. If you select on click in the Add Trigger, you can add the animation which has already been done in the Animate mode. You can also add linking like web page, email, and artboards. It also consists of Hotspot tool in the tool panel. Just define the area and in the Add Trigger, select on click. In Add Linking, if you choose Artboards, then select the number of artboards. Add Transition, Easing, and Delay. Click on the Preview button to get a preview. Suppose you want to add an animation on a different artboard. Then go to Edit mode. Select the artboard by clicking the Artboard selection tool. Go to Animate mode. If you select the path animation, here you can animate anything on the drawn path. How can you create path animation? Select the object first. Select the Path tool from the tool panel. Draw a path on which you wish the object to move. To see the path animation, click Preview. Click on the animated object to see the total number of frames on the path. Here you can add the in-between frames and also apply effects on any particular frame. For example, if you apply a rotate effect on the frame, then in the right-hand control panel, you can edit that effect further. Similarly, you can select an in-between frame and apply the different effects. Animation of this artboard will be stacked into build sequence. After you have worked on creating your animations, you can start adding interactivity. Now go to the Interact mode. Select the particular object and click on Add Trigger and Add Animation. The preview button will show you the interactive animation. The Record Screen Animation. In Record Screen Animation, you can record the movement of an animated object on the screen. How can you create Record Screen Animation? Click on the Start Recording button and the animation will be recorded. Finally, you can share a link or export it in PDF.next format, or extract the code of the interactivity added, HTML, CSS, or preview it in a video format .mov.